At Eddy Motorsports, we manufacture a variety of different gas fills for any type of customized vehicle. Machined from billet aluminum right here in our Southern California facility. Most of our fills will work with either 1.5 or 2 inch and come in vented and non-vented configurations. One of our popular styles is our aircraft fill. It opens with a simple flip tab and twist cam motion that allows it to easily open. With the same twist cam function, our rally style utilizes a row of cosmetic fasteners and mounts from behind with blind hole studs. Our most popular fill is our flush fills. They screw off, leaving you with a 3-bolt flange that mounts permanently to your vehicle. Available for the flush mount fills is also a billet aluminum rally bezel, which allows you to add some extra color to the fill if you so desire. It also allows you to cover up existing holes if you're trying to replace an old flip-top fill or something else where you need more surface. Our last style is our stainless steel flip tab fill. It uses a simple tab that you use to unscrew it. And again, it ends with the same 3-bolt flange that's mounted permanently to your vehicle. The flip tabs have their own dress-up bezel, which can be used to add size or extra color. Like most parts here at Eddy Motorsports, our fuel fills are available in a variety of colors